How long has it been since we analyzed one of these audio marvels? And without a doubt, the Romanian company Meze has outdone itself with its new Meze 105. Silva, in fact, is receiving excellent reviews all over the world. I think there are few audio reviewers, and even fewer in Spanish, since explaining audio quality is very hard to do in a video. But you already know that I love challenges, and I'm going to try to explain to you what it feels like to listen to music with these Meze 105 Silva, which have been designed to last a lifetime. For example, when you listen to classical music, their seashell-shaped design adapts to the contours of your ears and their diaphragms. With a ventilated back, they transport you to the place where the music was recorded, making you feel like you're actually there. And believe me when I say that Meze has achieved it consistently. But let's move on to the unboxing of this audio gem, built in wood and inspired by the forests of Romania. You know, I recently reviewed the Meze Poet, which are pure poetry for the ears. But today I'm bringing you a more affordable model, yet it's still truly amazing for everything it offers. I've tested it for weeks and found it very comfortable. The premium materials like other Meze headphones make it feel more fun and luxurious. The wood is walnut, and the headphones are called Meze 105 Silva because Silva means forest in Romanian. And once again, for this company focused on the best audio, nature is essential for creating their devices. By the way, the headband springs are made of steel, but the rest is made from a cast zinc alloy coated with physical vapor deposition. And this makes it extremely durable, but as you can see, also highly flexible. Also, the part that rests on your head is made of very soft, high-quality leather. And something I like is that these headphones are designed to last you a lifetime, because all of its parts can be removed and replaced in the simplest way possible, including the ear pads, which, by the way, are really comfortable. I've used these headphones for hours editing videos, and they haven't caused listening fatigue or noticeable heat. You already know that I'm one of the Spanish YouTube channels that analyzes topics related to the best audio the most. But I confess that since I started trying products from Meze, I began to understand why this Romanian company has such excellent reviews all over the world. As you can see, the drivers are 50mm dynamic with a W-shaped dome reinforced by carbon fiber. It also has various coatings like titanium or Toro, which improve fuel absorption. And despite being much cheaper than the Meze Poet, the 105 Silva comes very well equipped with accessories. Can you see that? A USB-C cable with a 3.5mm jack lets you connect to any smartphone, as they're easy to drive. Plus, it includes a 3.5 to 6.3 adapter. Here you can see. The 1.8-meter cable made of oxygen-free copper is also wrapped in Kevlar. The joints are very robust with anthracite aluminum housings and seem built to last a lifetime, just like these headphones. However, as a downside, I would have liked to see a 4.4 balanced cable as well. Here comes a surprise from Meze 105 Silva. That's because this USB-C to 3.5 adapter has a digital to analog converter amp, so it includes a chip that boosts quality and volume, especially when using it with mobile devices, considering that the impedance is only 42 ohms, which isn't too much. Check for proper names, places, and events to preserve. Maintain speaker's perspective. Shorten text by up to 13%. Ensure no content is added or inferred. Output grammatically correct in United States text translated. The headphones weigh about 354 grams, allowing comfortable use even for long periods. Sensitivity is 112 decibels. And all of this, together with the adapter that Meze includes with these headphones, means you can listen perfectly well, not only with your music library, but also with music streaming. As you can see, it's still always appreciated when music is high quality, such as in lossless formats. I've mostly used these headphones for music, but also for gaming and movies. Since the back is open, it feels more spacious. There's a much more immersive sensation, and in these cases, it's definitely recommended as well. But anyway, what happens when you connect them to a professional audio device, that is, to a hi-fi music player? Well, as you can see, I'm here immersed in testing this VO M21. I'm preparing the review, and you'll see it on the channel in a few days. Anyway, when testing it with a music-focused device, this combination is amazing, and you can really feel the extra power in these devices. If I had to compare this Meze with another headphone, I'd say it's very similar to the Meze 105 Air, which I also reviewed on this channel. But it goes one or two steps further, especially in terms of detail, dynamics, and also spatiality. As for their sound, these are very versatile headphones. They have adequate bass, not so deep that your brain shakes, but it's very well done. They don't overpower other frequencies. The mids are smooth and well separated. The highs are likely where they're more limited. Is this where the price becomes apparent? They have a warmer, clearer, and crisper sound. They're quick headphones, and despite having dynamic drivers, they've never sounded overwhelming in any range I've used. These are headphones you can wear and forget about. Now let's discuss the price. How much are they? Meze 105 Silva. So as you can see, they're 499 euros, which means they're quite a bit cheaper than the Meze Poet, which you already know cost around 2,000 euros, considering that these are headphones that will last you a lifetime. It's very unlikely that they'll break. It's not like wireless headphones, which, as you know, have built-in batteries. And after about 2 years, it's normal for them to start degrading. Your grandchildren will be able to inherit them and continue enjoying magnificent music. And I know this content is for a specific audience, for those who love audio above all else. But if you're one of those people, and if you've made it this far in the video, you probably are. These Meze 105 Silva deserve your attention. That said, I'll leave the purchase link below in the video description. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. I love reading your messages. And if you also love audio, you know what to do. Subscribe, leave me a like, and share this video so we can build a community of audio lovers in Spanish here on your channel, Testa Do. And now, I'll see you in the next video. Take care and see you soon.